double boat on parating. Okay, sa akin mga video. Ayun, andito kami sa Singing Sense Tower. That was nice. Wow! Lamig ng tubig. Yes, guys, andito kami sa Singing Sense. Tawa kami ng tawa ni Liana kanina kasi akala ko totoo nag-ano yung tumutunog yung buhangin. Yeah, it's so cold. Mababaw dito, pero lumalakas yung alon. ganyan, paragliding, paragliding. I don't know what is that. Ganda oh. Mababaw pa rin doon. Hala, look at that! Look at that! Oh my god! Hindi siya makaano kasi hindi pa sapat yung hangin para anuhin siya, liparin siya.
Lots of fun. You want to try it?
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, the kiteboard.
And that is kiteboard or
Kiteboarding. Yes. We used to have one. I don't know where it went.
Ang galing. Ang galing. Wala na. Bumaba na. Ayun. Ang hanggang. Ang hangin ng Ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang kasi ang lakas ng hangin. So, kung bago pa lang po kayo sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe na po and hit the tiny bell button para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking mga video. And yes, see you again next time guys. Ano ko lang tong family ko kasi parang Sunday kasi is a family bonding kaya yan. So, bye-bye! Trying to catch you. Oh, what we can discover, what we will discover at the end.
The signs. On this path, the sign said, and all sorts of stuff.
Wow, that is a long road. Yeah, I thought there's nothing anymore.
Oh yeah, no, it keeps going.
Hello.
Angie thought it was over.
Yeah, I thought it's over.
She was waiting to leave. No, but in the walkway.
Wow. What we can find at the end. Ano kaya makikita namin dito sa ano na to? Pagkatapos nito. Akala ko wala na. Look at that. Fin. Oh. Do not enter. Why it's not do not enter? Bawal daw pumasok doon. So wag tayong papasok. Bawal daw eh. Kaya ito na lang sundan natin. Sabi garden. Nga naman. Wala naman. That one, palabas. Di, wow. May magway na. Why na siya. Why. Papuntang lake. Ito. Papunta dito. Papunta dito. Papunta doon. Oh. Cold water stream. So, ibig sabihin, may isda. Beach and supervised stream enter on this.
Hi there. Hi there. How are you?
Good. Ganito. It look like ginger. No. Just look like. No. Okay. Close?
No, so close. I don't know which way. Probably this way.
Huh. Area close. It's open. I think this is no ending road. I think this is no ending road.
There's no
No ending.
oh, to this. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. I haven't been on this. That was even a different lighthouse than the one I went to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See?
What do you think's at the end of it?
Ano kaya yun?
Taking an open picture?
Ano kaya yun? Ang dami. Wala! No ending trails. Ayan. Yung mga senaryo dito. I don't know what is the end of this. Pero nauna na yung mag-ama. Oh, look at that. Sabi 7 minutes. Mapunta tayo doon sa ibang beach. Pero wala. Lo. Nawawala na tayo. Nawawala na tayo. Tingnan nyo guys, mushroom. Mushroom.
Gardener snakes, no.
Yeah.
But there's other kinds that are, like rattlesnakes.
Mhm.
If you hear a rattle, I don't know what to tell you. You have to. I'm not getting it.
Oh my god.